Hope you guys are doing well. Today I'm going to be reviewing this acrylic end table. Now this end table looks amazing and it fits a really small space, being super practical. You can see I have my coffee here on this end table and it's just a really nice height for me to pick up and put down. It's actually really sturdy. This is going to be made with 6 different pieces. Takes about 5 minutes to assemble all together and really easy. It's high quality, looks great. There are a ton of other color options to choose from. I really like the clear one too. I was debating whether the clear or the brown, but since I have these brown swivel chairs, I thought it would match perfectly, and I'm really happy that I did. On the bottom here, it has a nice tier setup. This is gonna be a mid-century modern look, and I really am digging the way that this does fit my room and fit the space. I really like these side tables, these end tables, just because they're really small and practical, and you could just put them in between a chair without overpowering a coffee table or a different end table in your room. You can kind of just put this in a really small space, and it's just practical. It's really light. The top is actually pretty big, so if I do slide this to the side, somebody that's sitting in that chair could definitely put something over here. You could put some like hors d'oeuvres on this table. If you're looking for a nice skinny side table that's a great height, just looks great, this is definitely the one that I recommend. I give it a 10 out of 10. Add it to your cart today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.